Bridgetown, Barbados. Trying to get a cab to go to the beach.
Sorry. It's okay.
That's somebody who's been here a lot.
Oh, I just squeezed my butt in.
Like a black man is me, a black man to you.
Hi.
Harbor life.
Hi. Do you like potatoes? Do you like potatoes? Potatoes.
No.
You don't like
Potatoes.
You don't like fries?
Sweet potato? Fries?
I love them.
Baked potato?
I love them.
Okay, you love them. Good. I'm trying to locate a vegan restaurant called Roots Reggae, but they don't really have addresses around here.
I'm feeling very hangry right now. I'm annoyed that we can't find any vegan food. It seems like every time we try to go get vegan food at the ports, like either they're closed or we can't find it. It's just kind of frustrating. So that's how I'm feeling, hangry.
We have found food. Oh, I could eat anything right now. Have some pineapple. Hummus? Oh.
Yeah, it's got red bell peppers in it.
Is it oil free or no?
I don't believe there's any added oil, but I can check the recipe for you.
Okay. What I got so far, probably go back for seconds. Oil-free hummus win. So I just went to the holistic holiday at sea bookstore, and I used my onboard credit, which you guys will get if you go on the cruise next year. So yeah, when you book your cruise and you use a code that you're given, through somebody that promoted it, you get a $50 onboard credit, which you can use for any of the holistic holiday services. So like any of the speakers that are offering services like acupuncture, or you can use it in the bookstore. So bookstore even has snacks. So I got this snack to try. It's a little high in fat. Got that. I got some dry shampoo to try, and then I got this farm sanctuary book by Jean Bauer to review out, because having a sanctuary is something that I'm interested in the future. Either that or kind of like a geriatric dog haven, when they're in their last days, just to give them comfort. That's something I've been thinking about for a while now too. So, and then I got this book. It is yoga of relationships. It's not just other people, but also a relationship with yourself. So the practical guide for loving yourself and others. So I thought that looked interesting, and I got it all for free. So that was awesome. Sassy Southern Vegan. She picked up a copy of Dr. McGregor's How Not to Die cookbook, which looks really nice. She also got the Farm Sanctuary book too, and she got some cookies. So that was all our cool stuff we got with our credit. The temperature of this hot tub is under 37 degrees or under 98 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not very hot. Got a problem. This warm tub, the not hot tub, is just warm enough to keep us in here, because if you stick your skin out of the water a little bit, it's freezing and you're gonna die.
I mean, like, I have a towel, but it's soaking wet from when we were at the beach.
Yeah.
So I practically don't have a towel on.
We didn't plan this out very well. I don't want to get out because it's even colder. Oh, nice and warm now. Anyway, we were so full from lunch that we decided not to go to dinner, but now that it's dinner time, I'm actually hungry now. And here comes Allie, so. I made it! I figured it out! Yay. She found my room. My room's like, it's like Narnia room. You gotta go through the painting to find my room. But we were talking about how the vegan pizza, which is basically a cheeseless pizza they have in the buffet, isn't like that great. And we were like, oh, Hannah's got that Parmesan. I wish we had some too. And woo! Look what showed up as one of our gifts in our room. Brace yourself. I am not eating totally healthy tonight. There is no vegan buffet at dinner time. You basically have to go out to sit down dinner or try to find your way around the regular buffet. So yeah, I don't normally eat gluten at all, and I'm like glutening the hell out tonight. So we got some rolls, pizza. This is just a cheeseless pizza that apparently had some veggies on it somewhere, but I added some corn and lettuce, and then I'm going to use this vegan Parmesan that we got in our goodie bag tonight. You know, I don't feel my best after having that vegan pizza, even though there was like no data, nothing terrible on it. It was pretty much bread. I don't feel horrible, but it is like definitely not as good of a feeling as having some potatoes or rice or something.
Right. Pizza's definitely not a whole food. It's obviously it's vegan, that's great, but doesn't make you really feel great eating it. So yeah, we're both kind of feeling sluggish. I mean, I did a little bit worse. I had the pizza and French fries, and it was not worth it.
At her. I was like, ah!
I thought it was like in my conscious. What else in my head? Someone screaming at me. It was actually Janine.
Yeah. It
wasn't worth it.
No.
So now I know, and I'm not gonna do it again tomorrow.
Right.
Keep it Whole Foods. That's really close. Here. Say hi to Potato Wisdom.
Hello, Potato Wisdom.
It's Wednesday today, and we got one more stop, and then we're at sea for 2 days, and then I'm in Miami again for a couple days. That's if I decide to stay and not change my flight, pay to change my flight so I can get home earlier and get this chest back thing looked at. Oh, 1:30 p.m. So we gotta be on board at 1:30 p.m. tomorrow. Okay, I'll see you guys. Before I forget, I just want to make a mental note. Well, for one, my cold sore is almost gone. Stupid thing that I've had all week. It's wonderful. I just want to make a note because I've told you guys before, when I'm not in Ontario or in my parents' house, I don't know what it is, if it's just like the area or if it's the house, I usually have eczema on my eyelids when I'm at home, and it gets really flaky. Every morning I wake up and it's flaky. I got nothing right now. It's still a little pink just because I had it for a while. I have clear eyelids right now. I don't know what it is. So clearly I need to get out of Ontario. Okay, now I'm going to bed. For reals.
That video
Science. Science.
Did he already leave?
Science. This will be in the blooper reel. Because it's not pretty. You gotta do it like this. Right, and then...
That's not attractive. I don't know what is. That could be why I'm single. Maybe.
That's like the honest angle, I call it.
It is the honest angle. Like whenever you try to take a picture and you don't realize that it was like on the facing way?
Oh yeah, it's like your phone, you think it's facing the other way. And
yeah, and it's on you. You're like Jabba the freaking Hutt from Star Wars. It's not a pretty look.